How to fix or factory squad is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the launch options box you want to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this is completed you can close out of Steam. Now you will need to open up your browser and navigate to this link which is in the description below. And from here, you want to download and install the 86 installer and the 64 for the redistributables. Once you finish the installation, this will require a computer restart. So right after the restart, you will also need to update your GPU driver. So if you're using an NVIDIA GPU, you can get the NVIDIA app. Otherwise, you can download the AMD software to get updates. And once you've installed the latest available update, all you need to do is run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then launch the game from your library. That should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.